and welcome to RCS Newsline, March edition. As we step into the final chapter of this academic year, March brought with it a beautiful blend of reflection, celebration, and new beginning. From memorable event to remarkable achievement, it has truly been a month to cherish. Let's take you through the highlights. March marked an important academic milestone as students appeared for their final examinations, bringing the academic year to a meaningful close.
As the examinations concluded, it has also opened the door to new beginnings. With excitement and anticipation, students now look forward to stepping into a new academic year, embracing new classes, new challenges, and new opportunities to learn, grow, and excel.
As classrooms closed for a year, the stage opened for celebration. Let's now step into the co-curricular highlights.
One of the most heartwarming highlights of the month was Sneha's Sparsh, a celebration dedicated to our youngest learner from pre-primary to grade 2.
Based on the magical theme of the Wizard of the Oz, the event beautifully portrayed to a journey of courage, friendship, and self-belief. The celebration was graced by esteemed guests including ACB Mini Joseph, Dr. Priya Rajkumar from Aura University, and Dr. Bindu Shah, whose presence added a great inspiration to the occasion.
With vibrant performances, colorful presentation, and boundless energy, Sneha's Sparsh truly reflected the spirit of joyful learning, leaving the audience mesmerized and proud.
March also witnessed one of the awaited and significant celebrations, Sparsh 2026, our Founders Day, reflecting the spirit, vision, and values of CIS.
This year's Sparsh unfolded as a vibrant celebration built around a powerful theme of the 5 elements of Earth. Through thoughtfully crafted narrative, students beautifully highlighted the delicate balance between nature and humankind.
The presence of our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Rajesh H. Gadia, SP Surat Rural, added a great honor to the occasion, making it even more memorable and inspiring for everyone present.
More than just an annual function, Sparsh stood as a powerful reminder of responsibility, harmony, and hope.
While celebrations filled our hearts with joy, it's now time to celebrate the achievements that made us proud. Let's take a look at the achievements of our scholars.
Khushi Suratwala earned a high commendation at the prestigious summit MUN, a state-level inter-college conference organized by the Mehtaz Adventist College. Her confident diplomacy, strong research, and impactful articulation helped her stand out among the talented delegates. In the field of classical arts, S. Advita was honored with the Nritya Paramshri Award 2026 in Bharatanatyam at an event organized by the Ministry of Culture. Her grace, discipline, and dedication to the art form made this achievement truly remarkable. Adding to our pride, our esteemed educator and associate NCC officer, Ms. Surekha Ahir, has been promoted to the rank of second officer. Her dedication, leadership, and commitment to nurturing young cadets has been continued to inspire the entire CIS community.
As March comes to an end, it marks not just the closing of an academic year, but beginning of new journey, new dreams, and new goals. With memories of achievement, celebration, and learning, we step forward with excitement into the new academic year. May this year brings more success, growth, and moments to cherish for every CIS learner. This is CIS News 9 signing off, celebrating the year gone by and welcoming the journey ahead.